Unfortunate that senior leaders like Pinarayi should know the fact of what is the issue in Bangalore. Some people they have encroached. It is a waste dump site which was for putting this waste. It is a quarry pit. It is a very dangerous place where a lot of health hazards are there. And there illegally they have tried to occupy some land grabbers. The government and our local MLA also insisted it is very dangerous. We know that we have humanity. We are ready to give them, we have given them opportunity to go to their some new places. They have encroached, all of a sudden they have encroached. None of them are, only few of them are locals, other of them are coming and encroached in places. So it is a quarry pit for a solid waste management. Senior like Pinarayi should not interfere with such type of affairs. We know Bangalore well. We don't want to entertain this slum who just wanted to create this land mafias. So we have tried to protect our land. And those who are eligible, definitely we are ready to give houses to them in the Rajiv Gandhi houses. My Chief Minister also has directed. I have also directed them. I have submitted a report. Even my leaders from Kerala also have spoken to us. Please, I request Mr. Pinarayi, without knowing things, the fact of the case, you should not interfere with such a... We are not into any bulldozer. We have not done anything with the bulldozer, using bulldozer. We have tried to vacate, protect the public place, which was used for study. It is in the heart of the city. We can't encourage like that. It is a site allotted for putting waste management. So this is what Mr. Pinarayi has said. I am going to reply to that. I am sending a report to my party also, my Kerala leaders also, to my Chief Minister also. I have asked my officers to look into it. It is a routine things which take place in Bangalore city.
This is not a first time, sir. Some unnecessarily Bangalore city is targeted to some other cities.
See, you know Bangalore city is not like Mumbai or any other city. We don't have much slums in Bangalore, but we don't want to create slums in Bangalore. It is in the heart of it is in Krishna Bairegowda constituency. Mr. Krishna Bairegowda is a very learned senior leader of the party and the government. He knows. He also has directed our local officers, and we can't allow tomorrow to come and there is some vacant site. No one should come and put their huts there. It is not the question of minorities or other people or anything. We don't want to affect anyone. If anyone wants land who are eligible, definitely we'll give houses. Lakhs of houses in Bangalore we have planned. Though the other governments could not plan. We have planned already for that. Mr. Jamir Ahmad, my Chief Minister, and all of them are on the talks with my officers how to rehabilitate them. But who are genuine will rehabilitate, but not who comes and try to occupy the government land without any reasons. So we will do our job.
ಕೆಲವರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಪಿಣರಾಯಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಬೆನ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ
That is all political statement, political protest and anything. We don't want anyone to this one. Without knowing the fact, I should, Mr. Pinarayi should not interfere with our state affairs. It is all political gimmicks at the time of the elections.
ಸರ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಆಧಾರ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್ ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ರಮವಾಗಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಆಧಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ
Those who have regular documentation, who are there in Karnataka, we will definitely want the places as per the rules of the Karnataka government. We will definitely help them.
Thank you.
I will issue a statement. I will ask my officers to give a report. Yesterday night also they have sent me a report on this issue. We will do it. ನಾನು ಏನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬೈರೇಗೌಡ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಕ್ವಾರಿ ಪಿಟ್ ಅದು ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಕಸ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸೀಮಿತವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟಂತ ಜಾಗ ಹಿಂದೆನೇ 10 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ 9 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದನೇ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಟಿಫೈ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಸ ಹಾಕುವಂತ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ರಾತ್ರೋರಾತ್ರಿ ಗುಡಿಸಲುಗಳನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ತೆರವು ಹಾಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ಮುಖಂಡರ ಶಾಸಕರ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಖಾಲಿಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆದೇಶವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಿಷ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಅರ್ಹರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ರಿಹ್ಯಾಬಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಏಕಾಏಕಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಲಮ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಒತ್ತುವರಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ರಾತ್ರೋರಾತ್ರಿ ಗುಡಿಸಲು ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಬಿಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರವೃತ್ತಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ತಡಿತೇವೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರನ್ನ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕಾಪಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ರೋಟೀನ್ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ವರದಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ವರದಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.